Hello, students. Let us understand today who is Dr. Manmohan Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh is one of the most distinguished and decorated economists in the Indian history of economics. After serving as a professor at the University of Punjab and the prestigious Delhi School of Economics, he in 1971 joined as an economic advisor to the Government of India and further continued to serve as the governor of the RBI. The turning point in Indian history was between 1991 and 1996 when he was chosen as the finance minister for pulling the Indian economy out of a terrible economic crisis. He played a comprehensive role in ushering the new liberalization, privatization, and globalization reforms for the Indian economy. He has been decorated and awarded by 41 national and international awards, including the Padma Bhushan in 1987. He is an economist par excellence who pulled our economy out from the shackles of a mere economic disaster. Perhaps nobody else could have done more justice to the Indian economy as did Dr. Manmohan Singh. So much so that he was sworn in as the Prime Minister for 2 terms in 2004 and in 2009. That is why we call him an economist par excellence.